So I keep getting this weird issue when I try and upload certain PDFs to Chat GPT, that when I go to upload, I get this error message that either says no text could be uploaded, or I get this message saying that the PDF is completely blank. So I wanted just to make a quick video showing you how I fixed it. So what you want to do is come into the file, and once you find the file, what you want to do is click File, Export, and when you export, see this option that says Embed Text. You want to select that, and then you want to click Save, and then you also want to click Replace. So then if you come back to ChatGPT and then go and click, and then you find the file that we're talking about, the one we've just exported. Yeah. And now it works. This is just a quick fix for what to do if you're having trouble uploading a PDF to ChatGPT. Try this and hopefully it works. Thanks so much. Bye.